As Omicron creates a surge in positive cases across Idaho, those numbers are also reflected in our schools. Primary Health says they're seeing some of the highest numbers of positive COVID cases in school-aged children yet, which has prompted medical experts to increase the volume of their calls to ask for more masking in schools. And some parents are also joining that chorus. Tristan Lewis got an idea of what kind of numbers they are seeing in primary health clinics.
Brian, Primary Health has tested 30,000 people since January 3rd. They've been able to see where a patient lives and can track their zip code to where Primary Health believes what school district that child is in. Dr. David Peterman says all school districts have been over 30% positivity rate just for the last few weeks. But he adds those schools with no mask mandates have a higher rate. As more Idaho school districts announce temporary closures because of high illness rates, some Treasure Valley parents are speaking up about more COVID-19 safety policies in schools.
Next to the health and well-being of people in the community, closed schools is my second biggest concern.
Medical experts in the Gem State are also worried increasing cases will prompt more closures. Primary Health Dr. David Peterman says his urgent care facilities have tested 3,000 5 to 18-year-olds in the last 7 days. His data shows 5 to 12-year-olds have a positivity rate of around 39%, while 12 to 18-year-olds are seeing around a 40% rate.
Remember that the experts recommend that with a pandemic from a respiratory disease, your goal is to get the positivity rate down to 5% or less. So ours is 8 times that.
For Peterman, one of his main goals is to keep kids in school. He says the way to accomplish that is by those eligible getting vaccinated and boosted, more testing, and having consistent rules across all school districts, like masking.
Even if you wear masks, let's say at a Boise school, if you play sports against another school that maybe has different rules, then those kids will be exposed.
Universal masking is something West Ada parent Josh Jaco wants to see.
Schools, by the nature of their arrangements, are perfect places for this virus to spread. And you know what the medical experts do when they find themselves in a place where the virus is likely to spread? They put on masks.
He also is looking for more transparency from his child's district. West Ada only shows 5 days worth of cases on its dashboard for students and staff who were infected while at school. The district says the purpose of their dashboard is to keep families informed of the potential risk. There is only a risk if a student was infectious while at school, according to West Ada.
As a parent, we should be able to have specific and accurate information about what's happening on a school level, or at least on a district level in a way we can believe. And I don't believe it right now.
If we look at what ends up closing schools, it's not necessarily the specific identification of that school. It's the high positivity rate in the community.
West Ada's recent move to tracking the last 5 days worth of cases comes from the CDC's shortened quarantine period of 5 days. That's what the district tells me. And West Ada will have a school board meeting on Monday where Chairman Rusty Kofeld says discussion of the pandemic plan will be on that agenda. Brian.
Oh boy, a West Ada school board meeting with COVID on the agenda. Those are always interesting.
Always comes back around.
All right, thank you very much, Tristan.